Alright, I will live with it. I think I'm okay with that. Next. Let's work on this hoodie scarf. Right? I'm okay with that. This is a drawing from a long time ago. Some of the drawings in my sketchbook, maybe I could do better, but some of them I just like too much that I think they have to stay. They have to. So this was originally a pencil drawing in my sketchbook. When I first started this endeavor a long, long time ago. I'm still reusing this pencil drawing. All right, tell you what, I can't bear it anymore. I can't stand it anymore. I need to find out what happened Let's call it Today I Learned. Today I learned. Nope. Let's. Marvel writer fired. Marvel shocker. Creator Bo DeMayo fired weeks before premiere. Earlier this month, Bo DeMayo was in the midst of a particularly busy time at Mover Studios. The writer-producer was preparing for the launch of X-Men 97, the Disney Plus series he created as a continuation of the beloved 90s Fox Kids show. DeMayo, a Marvel regular who previously wrote on live-action series Moon Knight, as well as early drafts of the company's delayed but still upcoming vampire thriller Blade, had completed writing duties on season 2 of X-Men 97, was lining up press, making plans to attend the show's Hollywood premiere on March 13th. He was even discussing loose ideas for a third season with members of his team. And that's all we get there. That's all we know from that. Why was DeMayo fired? For allegedly creating an OnlyFans account. All right. Well. Let's go back to drawing, shall we? All I want is good content. That's what I want. So my family and I finally watched the first episode of What If. We were happy with that. I was happy with that. I was happy to see. I'm a big fan of this character whose name I can't remember. Big fan of Gamora's sister, Nebula. I love the way that the actor uses her voice. She's one of the best whisperers in movies. Similar to Bruce Wayne, similar to The Dark Knight. And I think they used her whispered delivery in order to harken back to, oh, you know what that sounds like? That sounds like Bruce Wayne. You know what Bruce Wayne is? He's a detective. We should put you in some kind of film noir. We should put you in some kind of film noir motif. We'll make you a private eye. We'll make you a gun for hire. Howard the Duck was in the episode, along with Korg. My name's Korg. I made Rooks.